Right, just a quick little one. How to make an invisible join when making up piping or welt. Just before you put your cord, your piping cord or welting cord in, you need to join two pieces of fabric together. You take one end of each piece of fabric, you lay one piece over the other like so. Fairly straightforward so far. Turn the top piece through 90 degrees towards you, and that will give you that shape, like so. This join works really well with pile fabrics, really well. Place it on your machine, your fabric like that, and we're going to sew from corner to corner. Needle in, machine across. I'm doing this in green thread so you can see it clearly. Machine straight across. That's your join. Trim off your cotton ends and take away the majority of that triangle there. So you leave about a ½ centimetre or so just beyond your stitching line, and then cut a little V right in the middle towards your stitch line, not all the way obviously because it will come undone. Little V, just like that. Hope you can see that clearly. What we're going to do now, we're going to put a piece of cord through that and you can see exactly how it creates that invisible join. So cord in. Obviously you have a piping foot on your machine or a welting foot. In we go. Start it off. I'm just going to run through quickly to the join and then show you how to sew that. So what I will do, I'm going to open up the salvages there. Like that. Nice and clean. And there's my V, one on either side. I'll take that a bit nearer to the needle so you can see it a bit better probably. Run the cord through it, like so. Once you've got that and you're happy, fold over. Give your cord a little tug. Give your fabric a little tug. And machine across the join. Little tip, don't pull it too tight because you will actually split the join on the stitching. If you machine across like that, I'll just run that through. There we go. I'll take that out from under the machine. That is how you create an invisible join in piping or welting cord. This works, as I say, exceptionally well with velvets, pile fabrics, things like that. It works with most fabrics. Once your other two pieces of fabric are sewn either side of that, that join will disappear completely. Happy tacking, happy stitching. See you soon. Bye bye.